Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Toyota Sequoia key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple process will restore your key fob's functionality quickly. Remember to handle the components gently to avoid any damage. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be brittle. Take your time to ensure a smooth opening. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, after you've fixed your key fob, why not make your car smell amazing too? Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, pay attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently lift the old CR 2032 battery out of its slot. It should pop out without much effort. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly. Many stores offer battery recycling programs. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive or plus side faces up. This is crucial for proper function. Once the new battery is in, align the two halves of the key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Test your key fob to confirm it works.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.